Good day, good morning, happy Tuesday times. How do you feel, lovely community? We are back in business. We are back in business after we had this extended break. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. February 17th today, straight up on the 24,619 Nasdaq. Having a lovely time here with you guys. Thank you so much for joining. How do you feel? How is your day? Wow, we're back in business. So this is where we are, folks. Let's just get into the subject. 5-minute candlesticks. Oh, lovely pump. 5-minute candlesticks. Lovely pump for the Nasdaq. You gotta keep something in mind. You have to keep something in mind, and we're gonna talk about it soon. Great to see you guys. Good morning, good evening. Make sure to like the video, invite your friends, and share the presentation with all the members across the world. Invite all the community members from all the trading groups, from all the trading existences. So here we are. We are live. Better than before and better than we deserve. Come on, guys. Thank you so much. Better than we deserve. So I wanted to reach out in 15-minute candlesticks and share with you. There is a trending line here that's going to be a nightmare. This one. We have an engulfing on the 15-minute. If we successfully close like this, ooh, that's going to be juicy, guys. The price section has a momentum gap here between the trending line and the current price level. Trending line is sitting around 770s. Good morning, good evening. Oh, you've missed that buy. Looks like we did not roll over. Probably people feared we're gonna roll over with that move right below this lovely demand space we are. Thank you guys so much for joining. We're going to trade our YRM accounts, which is still running their lovely Valentine's promotion. Good evening out there. Welcome, guys. Great to see you. So happy about to be back live. Trading the YRM accounts here. Still running their Valentine's for another 14 hours. Keep that in mind. The promotions, the heavy promotions, heavy discounts are still available for another 14 hours. For the YRM, so you can load up as many accounts as you guys consider and then run through the process. We've got 3 days of trading for this 150k instant funded, 3 days, and all of them are looking great for this account, right? Look at that. This is the net PNL chart. Those are the numbers. Good morning, good evening. Hey, good to see you guys. So happy about it. Let's just have another great week. I'm pushing today with 4 Lucid Flex second day challenge phase. Second day challenge phase. Still gotta do 4,500 and then I'll have 4 Lucid Flexes of 150,000 funded. And that's gonna be a beauty. So this is where we are, guys. 1,600 made in during 3 different days. We're at 5 grand up on this account. The target is at 8,000 for me to cash out. Still gotta do 3,000 in the next 5 days. Right? 3,000 in the next 5 days. Which is what? $600 a day? $600 a day. I'm trading the 150,000 instant funded for the YRM. About to see this candlestick closing. Volatility is huge, guys, today, so just be careful, guys. It's huge. Decrease your sizing as much as you can and take it slowly from downwards to the upside. Right, so you want to take it certainly slowly today. Look at that. Even with micros, things are pretty much wild. Good morning, guys. This is where we are. Sitting in a little short here. Could be juicy if we grab some nice levels below 80. Good day, everyone. Make sure to like the video. We are so back. I'll have some of my exit right there. Some of my exit is going to be right there. Have to do... Oh. Is missing something here. We have to adjust this. Lovely. Stop loss on break even. Stop loss on break even. Come on, guys. This would be the first trade of the week. Very important to have a good shot with it. Bring it down, baby. Bring it down. I'm trailing here. I'm trailing. Right. Leaving for a good runner. And actually trailing. I've sold partially. Secured $600, guys. That's absolutely perfect. And I'm trailing the rest. Absolutely perfect, guys. This is so good, so good. $782 pure profit in the trade. Celebration time. This is basically day number 4. And we only need 2,500 more, guys. Celebration time. $2,300 actually more. For the YRM account, 150,000 instant funded, and we're taking the path. So we need to achieve 8,000 bucks here. And that means another 2,300 in 4 days. How much is that? 2,300 divided by 4. We got to do $575 across 4 days, and we're taking the path. That's lovely. Thank you so much, guys. It's an interesting level there to test out a market bouncing. Right. Quite of an interesting level. We're speaking about an intense level there. And then we're going to trade our Lucid accounts, which is running their massive 40% off. Let's see if we can bounce from this level. We got stuck once again by the green line, which is an algo line, and it's functional. It's correlated with dynamic swing and short volume at average price. The way I have set it up is always reacting to it, guys. So it is a tremendous indicator, by the way. Tremendous. Give me a lovely spike here all the way above the 600s. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to sign up for our Discord. So if you want to be part of the giveaway, if you want to win, you have to follow the rules, be part of the Discord, like the video, be subscribed, turn on the notification bell, and complete a form. The giveaway form. If we continue sliding here, I'm not going to be a fan of that. I'll just chicken out of the trade. Looks better than the need of chickening out. Looks better with that reaction we had. Come on, guys, just bring it up. I'll go break even quite quickly here if I get the chance. Pretty good move so far. I sold partially, and I'm working basically with a break even for the rest. So I sold partially and working for the break even. Guys, we have secured $490. I think it's very important to secure this money. And to have back-to-back winnings in different accounts. I think that's very important. I have to start collecting profits again, day by day. Slowly building my way towards the targets. I have to start doing that again. Without trying to go big from the first day. So instead of collect more days, then focus on the resource of the money side, collecting more and more days, and the way we get closer basically to the payout, minimum 8 days needed for the instant funded, and we need that. It's less than 6% for the target, which is less than the industry standards for the instant funded on the YRM. That's why I love it. 6% for the 150,000 is pretty much everywhere $9,000, right? But the target here is at $8,000, so you have a max loss of 6,000 and a target of 8,000. That's kind of comfortable. At 450, it is. End of the day, they're down. It's not trailing. We touched the trailing here, and we made money. $515 secured. Guess what? I'm taking that money, guys, and I'm not gonna do more trading on this. Right? So we have 2 out of 2 complete success. Boom. Time for fireworks. Time to call out the name of the game. That was looking great. That was looking great. Proud of these 2 accounts today. Thank you, chat. Thank you. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good to see you, folks. Join our stream. And be part of the Discord. 1,794 members. $280 people online. Good morning. I'll see if we can have a nice runner here. This is an interesting point. I'll see if we can have a nice runner here after we kind of confirm the bottom here. We could actually revisit this level. Otherwise, I'm simply going to be out this. If we get rejected once again, I'm not going to be friend of that. Opening my Quant Tower in the meantime to trade some Lucid Flex accounts. Let's see what we can do. Can we clear that 96? Keep it running. Selling partially. And I'm fully out for the moment. 386 here profit. I'll take that, guys, quickly. This is 3 out of 3 accounts. I like to make more money here on this account, but I'm gonna take it slow. I'm gonna take it slow. Thank you, guys. A goat. Yeah. Got in a short on a Lucid. For the Quant Tower, let me bring you that up. Got in a short here for the Lucid. If we don't reject, I'm gonna be out. If we do not reject, I'll be out. We're on fire so far. We got 3 out of 3 accounts in profit for YRM. Got a little heavy exposure here for the Lucid right now. If it becomes ugly, I'm cutting it. No worries. Shorts around the 600s. This is evaluation. We have 4 evaluations for the Lucid 150 Flex today that we're going to trade 4 of them. 4 evaluations. Each are having around 4,500, so they have completed the mission halfway through. Good morning, great to see you guys. Bring it down, baby. Come on. Cliff. If we hit that 575, we are taking this one to the funded stage. This are the accounts we made on Friday. You guys remember we were $16,000 up, $11,000 up, and we had to lose so much down to 4,500 if you guys remember that. These are the accounts you're watching right now. Good morning, good day everyone. Make sure to sign up for the giveaways. Be part of the Discord, like the video, guys. Yeah, Lucid has been growing in the last 7 days insanely, with all sorts of customers floating from the other firms that were Certainly denying tons of payouts. I'm cutting this a lot. I've cut this one a lot. And I'll search to eventually reshort it if needed. Nah, Project X was pretty terrible in the past couple of weeks, trading it on top on futures, but they were very, very bad. I don't want to trade there anymore. I got used to the other platforms that are so good. I've re-DC'd into this rejection in case we successfully reverse it. It's quite undecided for the moment. We accepted like 1,300 loss. Yeah, all the firms, no matter how big is your company, when you're in a such situation, you cannot adjust to the number and volume of customers. You cannot adjust the quality of your services so quickly. It needs time, basically. Right, so these companies are needing time to adjust to the new reality. Whether we talk about the YRM or Lucid or any other company out there, it's not that simple. Come on, cliff, guys. Cliff out here. I'm ready to secure the profits. I'm ready to secure some profits there. I'm ready to secure some profits there. Look at that. That looks lovely. 2,500 bucks profit. Let's just see the price action breaking 580 so I can trail. I'm gonna trail right at the top of the current candle, guys. Dump it. Come on, guys. Dump it. We're trading Lucid 150,000 flex. %40 off with my code. No consistency and target on the Lucid Flex accounts. It's just nuts, right? No consistency and target. You remember on Friday we had. Thank you. That's a lovely sell-off. I am trailing above the wick of the red candle. Above the wick, I have to trail. Let's just go, guys. Let's just dump it. Come on, cliff, guys. Cliff, press that pedal. Thank you. Yeah, the last video had great success. People enjoy it. Make sure to check out, guys. It is a video which is bringing into the major subject of $10,000 a month. How feasible, how realistic is the target of $10,000 per month from prop firms? What kind of success rate you need and what kind of level of trading you would actually need to achieve that 10,000 bucks a month, which I believe would be, for the majority of the people, a great success to constantly be able to take $10,000 out without being moved on live, right? Because that's the point for so many people to be part of the simulation world as much as possible. So I've been breaking that down. And it comes down to, oops, we touch, oh, look at that. This is why you want to trail, guys. We've made about $700-800 profit. We're still down, but look at that pump. What happened, guys? What's the tweet? What's coming out there with Trump? I don't think we have any ratful the news, guys. Do we have anything? Rat folder? Whoops. We're making money. We're making money. I'm out here. We made 2,426, guys. 2,426 on this pump. I just got in a little earlier. You saw that. And then I'm out $2,000. 2,426. A little too much for the consistency problems. But I'm going to cut it away soon. Come on, guys. Celebration. Celebration. Yep. Foreign Minister, we have reached an understanding on main principles with the US. Oh. That's why we've got the big deal out here. Look at the markets. We've got more than 100 points in less than 2 minutes. Look at that one, guys. It is ripping. It is ripping, guys. We're about to touch the daily volume at average price. VWAP sitting on 713. But I think the market here is gonna kind of get aggressive on the 15 minutes. And you know, I've been pointing to this yellow line from the beginning of the live stream. Yes, the trailing drawdown stops once you take your first payout. It becomes static. Once you take your first payout, it becomes static, and your max loss is going to be original balance plus $100. Yeah, I got into the movement around here and probably sold it around this level, right? Now, I might have to lose some money. We've made too much. So I'm shorting this one, guys. We made too much. We should only make about 1,600. I mean, 8,000 divided to 5. 1,600. So that means I have to lose $800. Yeah, we have to touch that 697 basically. We gotta lose that. Come on, guys, we have to lose. We gotta lose. If this whole thing retraces back to the point it started, I'm in big trouble, guys. Expecting a continuation, which is why I kind of shorted. But you see, it's, look at that. Look at that. This is going dirty, guys. It's doing a dirty job here with me. I'm reshorting. We gotta lose 800. Yeah, this is a category of problem that I prefer. That I prefer to negotiate with and deal with. But watch that candle right there. Foreign Minister. They got under sufficient pressure. I'm reshorting this, guys. Come on. It's not that hard losing, right? Can you guys confirm that? Look at that. What's happening? We're up 1,700 and we should be down $800. That's why I said there should be a way to transfer profits from a user to the other. I don't need this money. I made this money and I would transfer it to you guys. None of the prop firms allow that. Stop making profits here, guys. Come on. Look at that. So instead of losing 800, we have double the profit. We have double the profit. You know, this thing might go down and I have to be out. I don't want to make more than I've made so far. I'm out. We have 5,227. Do I celebrate this? No, because on 20% consistency, just do times 5. 5,227 times 5 is $26,000. I mean, if I make this 26 grand, I'm gonna nicely have a lot of buffer. Right? Look at that. We gotta lose. Seriously, guys. We have to bring this down to 1,600 profit. Separate wallet. Think about, guys, if they would allow us to move some of the funds from an account we have to another account we have, right? For the same user. Let's say we have 3 accounts. We make a lot on the account. So we should have the option to place some of the money into the other accounts. Yeah, if I would have kept it, what if this whole thing comes down here? Right, I've seen that so many times. You know, if it comes down there, I'm just gonna long it. And I'll take the loss quickly. I gotta lose. We need to lose a lot right now. How much do we have to lose? Like 3,500 or something like that. Yeah. This one, guys. That's where we have to reach. That's going to be my target. You need another long from here. Give me the account for a few minutes. I'm going to lose it all. That's a good joke. So who's going to be able to help me with the account? Who's able to help me, guys? Come on. Lose that money. Bring it down here. There's no way I'm going to leave this profits here. Bring it down. That's so close to the target. You see, guys, we were in that short. I got out and I moved into the long. If I would have let that short open, I would have made like $8,000 right now. And that's a problem. So I want to get my Lucid accounts, the flex ones, quickly funded, because I can do these things on the funded without consistency and target. I can just leave these things open. I lose because of consistency, guys. And I love it, because I love the fireworks. YRM still running Valentine's for not a long period of time, but 13, 14 hours from now, if you want to take advantage, you can get your shot. Wow, look at the wick we got here. We're so close, we're so close. Oh, are you guys ready here for a strong move? Hope you don't do that. Oh my gosh. What if we rip back above 700s? What if we just rip it, guys? What if? What will I do? Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video. Otherwise, you cannot participate in the giveaways. you got to be part of our Discord, like the video, be subscribed. What if it rips right now? Yes, I traded on Lucid. We were down 1,400 and now we're down 800. That's what I traded today on Lucid. I'm gonna get back to my Lucid soon. In the meantime, here we have this 5 grand and we don't need it. We gotta lose. We have made here 782, which is very important. Very important. We only need 2,300 and we're taking the payout. And then here we made 515, which is great as well. So this is the third account and we have touched the target. So YRM, we've touched the targets today. Come on, guys. I just want to lose. That's not something difficult, right? Am I right? If we look into the 5-minute candlesticks here, yeah, that's interesting, guys. It's the reverse golden pocket from the body to body of the candlesticks, right? So they might want to find a temporary support here. Yeah, at least you can't lose the account. That's the best part of it, right? Come on, guys. We gotta do something. I think we touched that target. Yeah, it's not easy to lose money. It's only easy to lose money, guys. Let me explain you the reality. It's only easy to lose money when you want to make money. That's the reality. But this becomes so hard when you want to lose. So you have to reverse engineering and trade like that. Think about if you would do your best to lose money and you can't lose money. What's the outcome of that? You're gonna make money, right? So instead of trading trying to make money, you should try to lose money. Trade trying to lose money. And the reverse comes out. So you're making money. Think about it, guys. How is this narrative? Tell me. Look at that. This is gonna spike. Not trying to fail. I'm trying to do something else. Have you guys listened to my theory? Tell me your response on the theory. So if you're trying to make money and you lose, then wanna try to lose money and you would make money? Tell me, guys. Yes, you take the opposite trade than what you think the market does. And you probably always win. It's a numbers game, right? Thank you so much for joining. We're printing out here a dirty market maker that are watching the live stream, bringing the price action up, trying to give me here a nightmare with these profits we're making. We might get into 5-digit profits on this account soon. And I'll get angry, guys. I'll get angry. And it's not gonna be good. Right? Sign up for the giveaways. for you to have a proper chance winning. I'm not close going live. I have 4 evaluation Lucy's right now. Each are having $4,500 profit, each of them. This might be slowly climbing all the way to the opening. Gotta trade and fix this account. There's too much money here. I'm not long in any flex, guys. I've been watching on the flex. We're same down 836. I was about to try to reshort and go for that continuation to the bottom place. And then I was thinking that's not allowed to do hedging between the companies. But I didn't longed. Yeah, well, eventually, or I might re-enter in a worse place. Look at that. I've DC'd, guys. I've DC'd here. I've DC'd. Come on. I've DC'd. We're 70 micros. If it rips, I am in big trouble. If it goes there, I have 7 grand profit if it goes there. And then the question is, how will I lose about $12,000? How will I? There's 22 minutes to go for the opening. We gotta lose, guys. Help me. Do something with the price section. Sign up for our Discord. Like the video. This is the YRM account here, doing dirty jobs. Might be an interesting spot here to long it for my Lucid Flex account here. Right? What if we start laddering up, guys, from here? Flat, and then we start laddering up. You want to sell, guys, a couple of grand contracts. I should be able to lose on Nasdaq as well, Martin. I should be able. I just need a little time here. But this is not looking that bearish at the moment, unless it starts speeding down right now. But other than that, it's a problem by a pattern where things could actually ladder up, and this could be a flag, right? Could be a flag, could be a nice purchasing pressure that has been increased for the bulls here. So it's dangerous for the shorts here. You could just wake up with a candlestick that looks like this in a matter of a few seconds. But I'm still waiting. As I said, guys, I got in along on my Lucid Flex. Let's see. Let's see if it ladders up. Yes, the YRM is 150. I only trade on YRM 150,000 instant funded. The best accounts there. And, you know, very discounted. 450 with my code. They give it to you at 5:30, and I went out there and I said my community needs it cheaper. You have to give me cheaper. We got a little stuck, right? We got a little stuck here with this candlestick. Quite promising here for the... This might be a new support here around the 60s. Might be a new support here around the 60s. Look at that. I'm leaving it open, guys. I still have the New York session where losing should be a lot easier on that volatility. Right. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join Discord. Absolutely mandatory to be able to win and the giveaways. How do you call this pattern? We still have our long here. 1,700 bucks made. Lovely, guys. Let me put my take profit around 679. We have 100 micros. Oh. You know what's the problem? Because I want to make money here with this long. And on the other side, I'm in the long, but I want to lose. Right? So for my Lucid Flex, I want to make money in the long. And then the YRM, I am in a long trade, but I have to lose because of the consistency. I'll sell partially here. I'll sold partially. So we have eliminated that 800 loss we realized we had. And now I have a realized 544. Stop loss on break even. That's my target. If I hit that target, guys, 701, I'll get this account funded. We got 707, no, we have 7,700 here, almost $8,000. And we're getting in trouble. $100 micros we had. We touched the break even for the Lucid side. We have 555 profit. We're gonna celebrate that, guys. That's a lovely one. Raise up your hands, guys. Clap your hands. 555 profit from being down 800 here is not bad. Let me take this money. And then what's happening here stays on the YRM. Look at that. We got bouncing. We got this one bouncing. What if it rips at the opening 100 points? How much is going to be with 70 micros? What will I do, guys? What will I do? I'll probably have to make $100,000 to complete the consistency. You know, we got a 200 EMA holding us, the purple line. That's what's holding us. So I'm hoping this rejection we just got in the last 5 minutes are sufficient. Otherwise, if we break out of this, there's so much juice above. So much juice that things can actually get ugly for me. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, and join the Discord to be able to be part of the giveaways. We gotta respect the consistency. If we make 10,000 profit, what does it mean for the consistency? It means 50,000. At least you have buffer. At least you have buffer after you're taking your payout. At least you got buffer. I've relonged on my Quant Tower for the Lucid. I've relonged it here. Let's see what we get. Let's see if the support was sufficient to strongly bounce. No consistency, no target on the flex is just insane. Markets is waiting for the opening. Not much happening as it looks like. There's not much going on. It's time for this thing to dump, but they're not allowing it, protecting no acceptance below the 60s. Sorry, below the 40s. No. Looks like we can't cross that 40s. Instead, we're just putting together those green candles. I mean, I have my long on the other side here. So if the market wants to go up, I'm gonna smile with an eye and cry with the other. Right. Instead of just crying with an eye, let's just cover ourselves from both sides. Come on. You know, I'll take a partial exit here for my long. And I'll leave the whole thing open. Might have to... Yeah, I'm not hedging. I'm longing on both accounts. Both prop firms. Long. Will you take the price section up, guys? Tell me. What are your plans? I don't think the New York session is going to be a struggle losing. So honestly, if I make another 3, 4, 5 grand, I don't think it's not possible to be lost. I might have to reach out to one of you and do the dirty job in 5 minutes. I don't think you guys are upset for that. Oh my gosh, we're joking, we're playing, we're having a good time. Oh, look at that. This is just getting obnoxious. Like the video, guys. Do not underestimate my power of refusing giveaway winners based on lack of complying the participation rules. You gotta like the video. Markets will start moving in the next 5 minutes when we have the 5-minute algo. That's the time things will move. Yes. You will get, basically. We don't have limits on that. So your maximum chance is 3 giveaways in a day. Not bad. Not bad. Look at that one, guys. I mean, at least we're making needed money on the Flex account. We are making needed money. I'm leaving it open. I'm leaving it open. There's only 18 micros here. Not adding more for the moment. Let's just leave it like that. But on the other side here, we're 3,500 unrealized P&L, guys. I need some help. Do you guys have any instruments of dumping the price action here? Fortune teller, look at that. Look at a paprika. Come on, guys. If we cross that purple line, I'm in big trouble. It's 200 EMA. It kept us stuck. And there's so much liquidity above. It's going to be a heavy squeezing. So... yeah, I'm going to eventually lose this, right? I'll put my break even for... yeah, we got touch break even for Lucid. Look at that one, guys. 507 profit. I'm happy for that. Not using volume profile. We need a dump of 25 points for me to hit my losing target. I do have that target to the upside. I'll take that target away for the upside. Right, I just want to have here... this target touched. This one. Right, what should I do, guys? Like, should I put this? Is this enough, guys, for the market makers to finally deliver on that? Tell me. Oh my gosh. Finally looks a little bit better. 619. I'm fine. I am out at 621. I'm out at 621. I'm fine on 619. Hope they're not going to dump it to 622, guys. And then reverse it 200 points. You know, if it... we got the algo starting right now in a couple of seconds when... and watch the price action just doing dirty jobs here. We got the algo starting now. Let's see. Look at that. Come on. But that's the wrong way. That's the wrong way, algo. I'm gonna stop it. That's not what we have agreed. Let me just text them again, guys. Let me just text Wall Street again. That's not the candlestick we have agreed. Let me text them again. The drop is coming once we are up 200 points. With Lucid, you collect your money in your bank account. through all sorts of payout services. They got a bunch of payout services. Yeah, they will stack up, but I still need to lose 3,500. When you put your... You have to try to get paid through Workmate. Workmate is a company that receiving the money from Lucid for international payouts. Right, so you have to request Lucid to be able to get paid through Workmate. They're doing that. International payouts. Right, from Lucid you get your money into Workmate. And in Workmate you should be able to add your IBAN. If so you're not able to add your bank details in Workmate. We have the magnet. Of course it takes a stop loss. It's 3 minutes to go for me to get out of the pressure here. But if the market dumps, guys, on my Lucid, I'll try to hit the... It says it's not valid. That's very interesting. You want to see if you can open up. You want to see if you can open up an account on Wise. And get paid there from Workmate. Look at that. And then from Wise, you should be able to move your money to your Belgium bank account. From Wise, you should be able. Look at that one, guys. Look at that one, guys. That's so... Look at that reaction, guys. Do you still think this is going down? I got my magnet attracting the price section. Make sure to like the video, guys. Thank you so much. Look at that. It's moving, guys. There's 1 minute to go. It's moving. What will I do? Do I long it on my Flex account too? This is dangerous, guys. We have less than a minute to go. And this is quite dangerous. 20 seconds to go, guys. Are we gonna hit the target 621? Tell me, guys. How do you feel about the market here? What if we're ripped to the upside? 10 seconds to go. I am so much under pressure here. 5 seconds. We got the opening bell. Best of luck, everyone. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Market's ripping. But we got some sell-off. And now it's coming down. Now it's coming down. Look at that. Come on. Do not reverse. Do not dare. Do not dare. Oh my gosh. Look at that. They've reversed it, guys. They've reversed it. Oh my gosh, this could actually rip so hard, but I'm leaving it open. It's unknown for the moment, right? We got front run, yet it's still coming back down. Relax. It's still coming back. Look at that. And there you go. We still have to lose 300 more. We still have to lose 300 more. And we're making right now money. Instead of losing. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that one, guys. We're making money again. Thank you, guys. I'm cursed, guys. Thank you, guys. Look at that. Oops. I did open along here, and this is what's happening. I forgot about it. What the hell, guys? Look at that. $15,000 on Lucid. I'm out of this. $12,000, 263 on Lucid. $12,000 on Lucid profit. You know, the good part is we passed the evaluation, but we made too much. We gotta lose. But we passed the evaluations. Look at that. 12,623. We need to bring this down to 4,500. So how much do I have to lose? $8,000. We gotta lose $8,000, guys. We gotta lose $8,000. Come on. We gotta lose $8,000. We gotta bring it down to 4,500. Yeah, that's an easy way of losing money, opening and closing. That's right. But you're losing small amounts of money by doing that. I mean, you can lose 200, 300, but you can't lose $12,000 by doing that. And now it's ripping, guys. Or 8,000. How much we have to lose? 8,000 bucks. You know, both accounts are making money. Look at that. Even this one is 1,300. Man, we gotta lose. I only wanted to lose 300 more here. And we couldn't. So I'm DCing. This could actually rip so hard here. I'm out. I'm gonna lose later. We got 3,800. I'll lose later. But this one is a problem, guys. It has 22,000. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm selling some. And I'm redoing something with it. I'm out fully. $26,000 profit. I'm gonna gotta do something, guys. $26,000 profit. Look at that. 26 grand profit, but it's evaluation. It's the last day. We only needed 4,500 here, and we got the account passed. You know, I'm gonna short it, but let me get into the minis, not micros, minis. Let me grab my minis. We're gonna short it, guys. How much we have to lose? 21 grand, right? I've shorted 10 minis short 21 grand. I've shorted. We gotta lose 21 grand. I was in a long, but we made too much, way too much. Eventually, we're gonna lose sufficiently needed, eventually. If this is getting stuck here, I'm gonna get out and accept that. Yeah, that would have been sweet on a flex account on a funded stage, 20 grand in a day, I'm telling you. We were up 180 grand. 24,888. That's right. Let's see if we get that. We're halfway through. Polymarket works perfectly. Look at that. We're breaking out of the line here. Come on, guys. We gotta lose this. No way we're gonna make this money. No way. And I'm stuck in a short here with a need of losing instead of being able to long different accounts. Yeah, we had to lose, and instead of losing, we made more and more. So in the last 40-50 minutes, even on YRM and here, I've been taking care about money we made as surplus, and we needed to lose. And instead of losing, we made more. This is basically an evaluation, and the best part is we only need 4,500 today, which was missing to get it funded. So that's a beautiful side. We're gonna have it funded. Because I'm gonna lose as much as it's needed here, and we're gonna have it funded, guys. If we don't get stuck here at the weekly opening, but it looks like the market is still having the strength of continuation. Yeah, we gotta lose a little more. Come on. I'll be reshorting my YRM account. I'll be reshorting it. Look at that. We're making money once again instead of losing here. I think we're gonna touch the stop loss, guys. We gotta lose 2,000 or 2,200, something like that. Come on. Hopefully this is not gonna be the top here, and we're gonna start making money with a short I've opened. Let's see. Could be the top. Look at that. Oh my gosh. If this is dying, I'm in big trouble if this is dying. I'm better out of it for the moment. Unfortunately, secure 4,400 here. We'll have to readjust. We cannot make more than 1,600 there. We cannot do that. Oh, Scrambo's on fire. Prop firms getting terrified. But now I'm overexposed into fire. There's too much money here. I'll take this loss here. Markets might drop. We've got 21K. Exactly, Badger. Prop firms getting terrified today. We gotta lose. Right? We gotta lose something around this. I've relonged it with the hope we see a dump. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. Lovely. Lovely, guys. Lovely situation. Nice. I've secured a needed profit here. We're down 1,700. So we have lost because I've longed it here too. And we're going to set the fire for down. The fireworks, guys. Finally, finally. We made enough here. And we escaped. But now, it's time to take care about this account. Why do I keep trading? So, I made 20,000 on Lucid. And I don't need that. I need 4,500 because of consistency and target. So I have to lose. That's why I'm trading. Because I have to lose. Look at that. Lovely. We've lost some. We're still 7,600 up. So we have to lose 3,000 more. And I'm longing the markets here. Once we lose sufficiently, guys. Once we lose sufficiently from here. We are gonna have enough to confirm the evaluation, to pass the evaluation. Trading the Lucid Flex, no consistency on the funded stage. It has 50% consistency. No consistency and target on the funded stage. Lovely, guys. Just a little bit more, dump it. Just a little bit more, dump it. Come on. We're so close hitting that target. So close. Oh my gosh, we're getting support there. Could be an ugly reversal point. We're so close hitting that target. Yes. 4,700. We gotta lose $200 more. $200 more needed to be lost. Come on, guys. Yeah, I got 5,000 in YRM and still trading because it's 20% consistency on the 8,000 target. So that's 1,600 per day. Not more than 1,600. Finally, 4,542 bucks, making the account 159,067. We have 159,067, so we finally passed the evaluation, guys, after needing to fight with the losses and with the profits. Actually, we were fighting way more with the profits. Celebration time. We just passed an evaluation of 150,000 Lucid Flex, guys. Celebration time. Lucid is no consistency and target on the funded stage. So that feels great, guys. Would have been lovely to have those profits on the funded stage, right? But obviously, it's not that easy. And on the other side here, we gotta lose like another $100, right? I really don't want to cross that. Beautiful. We have a perfect value, guys. Perfect value, 1,595. Perfect value. Yeah. Today was a pretty weird day, right? Pretty weird. But we got it on the right side. Still have more Lucids, yet I'm a little scared with that, honestly. I'm just gonna test out some Savius. This account is 1,600. You have a 20% consistency on 8,000 target. Do the math. Divide your target by 5 and see how much is your day, your max day. How much should be your maximum day. Right? We're doing the giveaway soon, guys. Let's see if I can connect to my Savius. Yes. We're copy trading 5 accounts on Savius. Looks like we're coming back from there. We might hit the stop loss. We have a stop loss on 1,500. I don't want to lose more than that. Copy trading 5 accounts. My target is 1,500 to the upside. And the stop loss is 1,500 to the downside. Lovely buy-in. Lovely buy-in. Yeah, very nasty. Very nasty price action. Putting the stop loss on break even, guys, here. And the target has been touched on 5 accounts. Looks like 1,493. Absolutely lovely. 1,500 times 5 on Savius accounts. Thank you so much, guys. Copy trading 5 accounts here. At 7,500 profit. Quickly made. And secured. So no losses today. Let's just wrap up the things. Look at that, market's been dumping after it touched my target, it dumped. Boom. So what we've reached today. We made 782 here, very important, because we only need 2,300 more in the next 4 days. So we got sufficient comfort there. This one made 1,595, that's good. And this one made 515, that's good too. So all the 3 YRM got to their profit. We traded one Lucid Flex and we made money on that. We made enough to pass the evaluation of one Lucid Flex, and then we traded 5 Savius where we touched a target of 1,500. Thank you guys. Time to wrap up the things. Oh my gosh, look at the price session, how dirty. Time to see the wheel, time to see the ducks. What you gotta do to participate. What you have to do, what you gotta do. Time for the giveaway. So make sure to fill up the form, guys. Make sure to fill up the form. Yes, that's good in YRM 1,500. That's very good. You stop trading. You're just great with that one. Right, so once you filled up the form, the next thing to participate, you have to like the video, guys. Come on. Like the video, quickly. The next thing is be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time, doing giveaways daily. And running a lovely community on Discord, helping each other and contributing positively to our trading journey. So you have to be part of Discord too. Otherwise, you're not going to receive the account if you do not comply with our participation policies. Rules are simple. You'll have to guess the numbers that I'm going to list on the wheel, and only a single guess per person, a single account. Do not guess multiple times, do not spam, do not guess multiple numbers. You're going to get a timeout, you're going to get banned, and you're not going to enjoy. So first account we're doing is an instant funding account from Tap 1 Futures, $25,000 end of the day drawdown. Instant funded for the winner. We're going to have a bunch of numbers, so pay attention to the numbers I am putting out. From 0 to 9, all the numbers are appearing once, so you can start right now. Start. From 0 to 9, each number appears once. Very well distributed. We're going to spin and shuffle. Yeah, Scrambo code pretty much everywhere for maximum discount. Negotiated for the best of the best you guys can have. And that's where we are. Take your time. We've been on fire today. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. After having a 3 days break, spending a whole lot of the time outside, reading a lot for the kids, playing puzzle like 3 hours a day. Alright guys, so stop right there. No more guesses, no more. It's over. We're gonna shuffle and let it fly. Best of luck, everyone. Good luck, guys. Come on. I can tell you the numbers that are not gonna be. How do you register? You fill up the form and do the rest of the things. Could be the number 6, guys, and I'm telling you, there's not gonna be many winners. Fill up the form, like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord. Number 6 for the winners, congratulations. That's not gonna be popular at all, I'm telling you guys. Number 6 for the winners, yep, congratulations. But that's not gonna be popular at all. Watch that one coming through. Trade of 8, keep getting freezing. Yeah. Only 9 winners with Maddie at the top. Massimiliano here, the business lens, but Matty at the top. Matty, this is your chance, man. 9 winners out there. Look at that. So I'll tell 30 seconds competition time, guys. Shuffle them out here and keep it swimming. Best of luck, everyone. That's a tremendous chance, guys. Tremendous. LFG. Who's speeding up, guys? Who's gonna speed up? The business lens. We got the business lens speeding up sufficiently to take the first prize, to take the winner. There you go. Congratulations, buddy. That was close. Look at that. That was close out here. Congratulations for the winners. So let's find out if you did complete the form. The business lens did complete the form and finally secured $25,000 top 1 futures end of the day drawdown. Instant funding account. Congratulations. Good job. Continuing for the next giveaway, guys. Continuing. Get ready. Get ready. We're doing 50k Lucid Flex. Second giveaway, 50k Lucid Flex. Let me know your numbers right now. Let me know your numbers from 0 to 9. The sim ratios, each number appears once. From 0 to 9. Let's go. Each number appears once from 0 to 9. Best of luck, everyone. $50,000 Lucid Flex account we're sharing. Stop right there. No more guesses. No more guesses. It's over. We're going to shuffle a few times and let it fly. Best of luck, everyone. Wow. Can't remember we had 9 winners for the duck race. That's so odd. No one cares about a number 6, but there you go, guys. Could be the number 6 once again. Yes, it's the number 6. I'm telling you, the pedal is listening. And that's the number 6 again. So I want to see how many of you stick to your number 6. You have to verify that with the country restrictions. You go number 6 once again. Confirmed. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. That's rigged. Oh, you picked 5. Nah. You've betrayed your number that brought you into the duck race. And I think we're going to have 7 right now. Business Lens is once again here. Look at that one, guys. We've got 7. 7 only. Maddie, you were the 8th. But you're not. How is that possible? We got 220 people and only 7 for the duck race for certain numbers. Everyone is going with a number with a 0, with a 7, with a 5, with a 3, with an 8. But that just never comes. 15 seconds to go. Keep it running tight. Destiny out there. Who's going to speed up, guys? What if the business lens wins again? What if? He's not going to win. Time trade. Time trade did speed up. Time trade, look at that. Congratulations to the winners, guys. Time trade, you got this one. Destiny for the 2nd. And D-Money for the 3rd. Congratulations. Look at that. That's a massive one. Let's just find out if you did completed form. Time trade. You're not here. Time trade. Or TMAT trade. Is that your name? TMAT trade with a double T. Yes, TMAT trade with a double T. There you go. Congratulations. You're fully confirmed. TMAT trade. Thought about time trade, but there you go. Good job. $50,000 Lucid Flex account goes out to you guys. Continuing with a third giveaway. And we're going to have a different organization right now. 50K Lucid Flex. But watch out. Watch out because the numbers are going to be different. The numbers will be different. Right? So, how to claim, reach out to me on Discord. Direct message me on Discord. I'll have a text here. Winners, DM. Direct message me. Right, so listen up, guys, for the ratios. 50K YRM right now. 50K YRM for the third giveaway. Listen up, guys. Listen up, guys, around the numbers. We're going to have 2 zeros, 2 number 5, 3 number 6, 1 7, 1 8. Those are the ratios. You can start right now. So once again, 2 zeros, 2 number 5, 3 number 6, a single 7, and a single 8. Best of luck. Best of luck, guys. 50,000 YRM. Stop right there. No more guesses. No more guesses. It's over. Shuffle. And there you go. Good luck, guys. We're going to a happy Tuesday. Just getting back in a good trading form after having 3 days of break. It was very good today, much better than even needed. It's not gonna be the 5, not gonna be could be that 5. But it's not gonna be. I think it's gonna be the 0. There you go. Congratulations for the 0 winners. We had double 0. So basically, for those of you that have guessed between the start and ending command, you are going to be part of the race. For those of you that you're late, you've missed it. 0, yeah, there you go. Congrats. How many of you? 52, guys. 52. There you go. This is a pretty much feels differently, competing for 1 minute. 1 minute competition time. Best of luck, everyone. Start right there. Best of luck, guys. $50,000 YRM. Top ranked is going to enjoy a lovely account that can nicely give you a $1,500 payout. I think that's good, guys. I think that's good. Who are you cheering for? Who are you cheering for, guys? We got more than 50 folks. All sorts of costumes. Which one? Now, time to use the pedal. Time to use the pedal. Come on, guys. 30 days. There you go, 30 days. We've got you. Look at that. Trades by now on the 2nd. But we've got 30 days out here winning. But you filled up the form 30 days. That you filled up the form. Yes, 30 days. Got filled up the form. Congratulations. Look at that. Let's go. Oh my gosh. 30 days. Did fill out the form. Congratulations for the winner. 50 grand YRM. That's beautiful. Well, it was a very interesting day, guys. And we've been spending most of the time by needing to lose to complete that consistency. We were making too much money today for the majority of the trades we did and for the majority of the time. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you once again. Careful out there with the markets. Looking forward to it. Watch the live stream and see things that happen. We made 25 grand and we had to lose 21 out of that. Have a lovely day, lovely time. Scramble coupon for the max discount. See you tomorrow, guys. In the meantime, we're going to talk in Discord. Talk to you soon.